Hello, welcome to PowerPoint Academy. Today I will show you how to make a 3D infographic like this that consists of 3D cubes to be used as an illustrator in your presentation. But before we start, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment on our video to be able to see our upcoming videos. Okay, first of all, right click on the slide, layout and choose blank slide. Then I will add small square like this. Okay, then press Ctrl plus D to add another one and another one. Then select all of them and press Ctrl D. Ctrl D again to have 9 cubes. And now I will remove the outline border, no outline, and I will add a number in each of these cubes. Click on add text 1, and let's do some changes in the font and type of the font size and type of the font. I prefer this one, which is called Comic Sans MS. Needs to be more large and edit. Okay, now Ctrl D to add another one, and I will do the same thing from the cube 1 to 9. Okay, now I will make each letter in the center of the cube by click on the number and select the cube, format, align and choose center and align to middle. And I will do the same thing for all of the cubes and numbers. Okay, it's done. Now we have 9 cubes and numbers from 1 to 9. Then we will click on Ctrl plus A to select all of them, and I will group all of them to be a one group. And this is important in the 3D formation that we will do. Now I will choose a color for all of these numbers, and I will choose a color near to gray to appear as a dull color like this. And I will choose a color for the cubes to appear as off cubes, and in each slide each one of these cubes will be on by giving it a color. I will choose, okay, I think this one is okay. No, this one. Okay, now right click on shape, format shape, and go to 3D rotation and choose this one. Now we need to add some depth to these cubes, and we will find it in 3D format, depth, and make it 80. Okay, I will do some changes in the material and lighting of the cubes. Okay, and now we have 3D cubes in the slide. I will insert an arrow to appear from each cube, insert shape, and let's make one. Control D, rotate it 90 degrees, and be sure that they are fit together, and move it like there. Okay, I will change the cap type to be a circle like this, and make it size. Okay, oh no, I make a mistake. We need this side note, this one. So let's make it to the default and make the end as a circle. Okay. Write the title here by typing title and make the changes. Choose the type, bold, make it more large, then add the text you want under this title by writing your text here. Control A, Control C, then paste it like there. Okay, make the font Comic Sans. As I said, I love or prefer this type of font. Okay, this slide will be the normal slide on all of 9 cubes, and we will make in each slide the change in the color of cube, as we will see. Okay, let's make 9 copies of this slide by click on it and press Ctrl D. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, then I will bring some colors from a file in my computer by clicking Ctrl O to open file. Then I will choose colors, and these colors I have downloaded it from many websites to be used in my presentation. I will choose this one, Ctrl C and Ctrl V. I will choose this one also, Ctrl V. Okay, I will add a new slide by clicking Ctrl M and move these colors in it. Okay, let's make this one here. Now click on the first cube, format, shapefill, eyedropper, and choose this color. And we will make the color of the number white to be shine like this. Okay, I will select the two structures of this arrow and press Ctrl G to group them. Then I will give it the same color. Okay, the title will be the same color. Okay, Ctrl X, and let's make the second cube. Format, eyedropper. Okay, Ctrl G to group them, gives it the same color, and the title will be the same color. Okay, let's make the number white in color like this. Then I will add some icons. I also have a file in my computer contain many of icons. I will choose 2 icons to be used in these 2 slides. Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Let's begin with this one. Let it here. Okay, second one, Ctrl C, and I'll add it here. Okay, in this tutorial I will show you this presentation on only 2 slides, or 2 cubes, first and second cube, and I will do the same things to the other 7 cubes to save our time. Okay, let's do the animation. Go to animation. Okay, add animation. Let's make the entrance for the cubes by clicking on wedge or wheel. I think wheel is more than enough. Okay, then I will make the arrow wipe to be appear as this, and this shape or icon I prefer the basic zoom for it. Then the title, make it shape, no, make it floating, yeah, and make it float down. And this text, let's make it split. Okay, go to animation pane, make all of them after previous, and increase the duration of just to 1 minute, 1 second, and just to 1 second. Okay, this for the first slide. Second cube, we will make nearly the same animation points or tips, but first let's make this arrow to be inside the second cube like this. The change here is that we don't make an entrance effect for the cube to be appear in a continuous pattern, but we will make a pulse effect. Choose it, click add animation and pulse. Then the same for this arrow wipe, and basic zoom for the icon, and the title, let's make it float in, float down. Split for the words, make all of them after previous, change it to 1 second, 1 second, 1 second. Okay, let's preview our work on these only 2 cubes, and then I will make the changes on the semi changes, nearly semi changes for slide number 2. On all of these slides I will make the animation as in slide number 2 till we reach slide number 9. Then I will choose the final preview. Okay, let's click on preview. This is the cube, the arrow, icon, title and the word. And now when we click on the space or the downward arrow, it will appear as in a continuous pattern. Okay, now I will make the same changes as I told you for the rest of the cubes, and I will choose a final preview. Okay, now let's preview the full presentation. This is the first cube, second cube, third cube, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, 8 and 9. And now we reach the end of our video. Please like, subscribe and comment on our video to be able to see our upcoming videos. Thank you.